Sandals against Philippine Navy. And, you know, we always mention that we always invite you guys to come watch the games here live because you'll never know when you'll be the face of the day. Like our face of the day, Christy Amoin, 22 years old from Lapu-Lapu City.
Cebu ba ito? Ang lapit, ah.
Really? Wow! Hi, and congratulations for your... you get a GC care of Shakey's. You know, the fans are really, it's very heartwarming, no? Remember when years ago, parang now people from Cebu,
Yes, and,
everyone's coming.
Yung parang they take time out to visit and watch the Shakey's P-League. Yung mga people from the provinces who watch us, we can't thank you enough dahil alam namin nung nag-start, sa probinsya talaga tayo malakas eh. So, again, thank you to all of you. Munasan man kayo, sulok ng Pilipinas.
That's right. And of course to V-League for...
Kung low tide o high tide man.
well, yeah, to V-League for giving us, you know, top volleyball action. Roses, wow, good dig. Laborte, Bautista.
Oh, Jeng Boli.
Alam mo, gigil na gigil si Jeng Boli.
Asking for that running. Sabi na, talagang nakikita ko, nagsasalita sa Kereya and getting that point as so now comes in for Kania.
That's right, well, 17-13, Jeng Boli, job serve.
No chance. Philippine Navy with a free point from Jeng.
That's right, Carp. And then if it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. John Botor Carpio. Roses.
Stuffing it in.
That's right. You know, Roses and Rhea de Maculangan really connecting.
Maganda signal.
Oo.
Dalawa.
Oh, you know, Coach Roger, you know, parang he's really shuffling his players. Now it's first set was Ruby De Leon. Now it's Rhea de Maculangan.
Siguro as our tournament progresses at umaakyat din ang level, going to the semis or even going to just going to the second round, gusto niya makita sino yung works well together, di ba? Yung ano ba yung tamang kombinasyon?
Also,
yung tamang formula.
So for sure ngayon si Roses and de Maculangan okay.
Check.
Check. De Maculangan, good serve. Galido, Carpio, Tepusoy. Roses again. Tepusoy.
And Mayira. Crisostomo. Nowhere near that ball. But even in the libero position, di ba kanina si Jill Bustillo now putting in Crisostomo for that libero job.
Rochina, good serve. Benito. Oh, combination play, and Bautista gets the point for Sandugo.
They've just been going for that angle even on the first set. And no stopping her so far.
Roses, good serve. That was Galido. Carpio to Rosale. Blocked, but it was there. Eposoy. Rosale again. Bautista. Taiwan. Softly.
And just a player to reckon with that when she's at the net.
That's right.
Si Kite, ang galing na niya at the net. Ang hirap kalabanin ni Kite.
That's right. It's a good rally we're having. Coverage was there for both squads. Free ball now given. Benting ends it. Ends the rally. That's the longest rally we had this match so far.
And he who blinks loses.
And nag-blink ang Navy.
Blink, blink. So, Sandugo now trying to pull away.
Roses. Bautista.
even using the blockers of the Philippine Navy to get that point. Pinadaan pa eh.
That's right, and a timeout called by Navy.
Kaya pa yan na muli na. Kaya pa yan na. Sipagan pa natin. Sipagan pa natin. Ayan yun. Dito din. Dahil, Pipe. Mangingi ka. Mangingi. Magparamdam ka sa center pag hindi ka nakita ng visual. Saka di ko nakita. May naghulog. Puro palo. Nagabang na sila sa long ball naman natin. Sira natin na pensa nila. Navy!
Coach Nene Banya still egging her players on.
Alam mo yung sana sasabihin ko, pareho tayo na nanotice. She's just a very good motivator. Yeah. Hindi mo nakikita sumisingaw. Just, although she will give you the points na kung saan sila nagkakamali. But more positive reinforcement than anything.
That's right.
Ah, too much angle.
That's right. And hitting air there by Nene Bautista. But you know, si Nene, parang the way she coaches, when I listen to the huddle, talaga parang ginagamit niya ng logic eh.
Yeah.
I-explain niya lang.
Hinihimay nga niya na
Oo.
tapos the way siguro probably the team would understand it. Not so technical.
Yes. Parang layman's terms, diba? Well, Sandugo still forging ahead, 23-16. Nene Bautista serving. Good serve. Rosale. Deposoy. Through the blockers.
Well, Angela Benting in the second set, 4 attack points in 3 digs. So, pensa at depensa dito sa second set si Angela Benting.
Oh, alam mo natin si Angela Benting. Shakey's really baby yan eh.
Oh, yan yung mga isa sa nakita natin nagsimula. Ngayon na nga, guest player na eh.
And you know, for some reason, she always plays well in V-League. Not for anything. She plays well, better in V-League than in UAP.
Yeah, talaga. No? Yung mga, kaya nga yan yung mga nakita natin na nag-progress through the years.
That's right. Well, set point once again for Sandugo.
Not just yet, Quintero Sale has something to say. Pero syempre, kailangan flawless volleyball for the Philippine Navy.
First, they gotta get their serve in. Benting, Di Maculangan to Benito.
Dug up well.
Carpio to Galido.
Oh, but that drops right in the middle.
Kaya Di Maculangan outsmarting the Navy defense. We can see a shaky, shake and play. Taiwan with a bomber, and Sandugo gets the second set, 25-18.